Good morning. To our new guys is that this is a 15-minute opening bell on TTD. And today's 16th is 62 pennies, which is 55 IR. Look at the spike. 1, 2, 3 teeny script. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the 4 teeny. There's the 5 teeny script within pennies times 62 cents. We're going to look as it comes right back down. We already have bids out, but it's the first 15 minutes and how to identify how markets can put tops in. Another one that we're bidding in on is Lrcx right here. Yes, this is the high and it's coming down. We had been in the position. There was a negative announcement yesterday. It's within the first. Now we've been open 19 minutes and it's the opening bell on Lrcx. Changing it to the 267.50 strike price, and we're out to buy it at $5.80. And you got an 845 by 990 on that too, and it's a May 29, 267.50. Yeah. So, changing the parameter structure, stealing the bid. Limit order price is out on that at 5.8. Steal the bid. Now that we've identified it and what we did and why we did it, yes, it is true that we will go. Nvda will report earnings after the closing bell, and we had owned these contracts up and out of the money. And we have put these contracts out that we had owned at 75 cents right here, right now. And this is live. And yes, for an earnings play and a bottom right here, identifying this bottom and identifying the fact that we had to make adjustment and not want to compound the overnight risk up and out of the money, but rather put the bid at 75 pennies and take it which way? Take it that way. 267.50 call, 795 by 960. Where is our bid? We are way below the market right now, and that bid is $5.80, and it's $8 by 955. These are the ECNs right here. And we know how to prop bid because that's what we've done below the market. We will watch the the Lrcx here, and we will see exactly the wholesale bid now and the limit orders that are out there at 790 by 950, and we're at a bottom. And you can see that teeny reversal down here, and the IR is at 16 in the background. And we're out at 580. We are in control of that bid with the other market makers that you see here. We will continue to move on. Nvda, 3 minute. Let's take a look at the values. At 39 cents 16th, the high was 362, the low was 358. They report quarterly results after the bell. Yesterday, there was some negative comments that our operators told us about, and the other leader, Lrcx, Lrcx, which is this one right here on a 15-minute, and he's hitting that low. And we do have bids out to buy it, and we do trying to get to 267.50 calls or 730 by 845 here, but our bid is at 5.6. We're wholesale. Yeah. Now the market's been open for 33 minutes, and it's a 33-minute discovery process of what headlines have done and where stocks are going to find their bottoms. This is Lrcx right there. There's the bottom. And when we can see right here that comes back to this date over here on 519. And that bar right here is this pullback is going to be support which is very critical. And we can see that that support level is going to come down and fill in the teeny line right here. Now, our bid over here is a 5.6 on a 267.50 call. And we would be the lowest ever. And we know what we're doing. And these are the market makers here and here. And we're out at 5.6. Now we have filled in the bar, and we're going to make an adjustment on our order. So we're going to cancel the 5.6, and then what we're going to do, and this is live right now, we are going to say we are going to take totally control, and we're going to go out here now at 4.7. And we're going to line that bid at 4.7, and we're going to hit submit. And we are going to be that bid. There it is live, limit 4.7. I'm below that market. Market's been open 35 minutes, 710 by 880. I'm at that price. So the 560 is a prop. 470 is the lower end. And we have that set, that parameter on this bid and ask range. And we're going to be in control because we're sending our electronic orders down to the pit. And your 710 by 865. And we hit a bottom right here are the diamonds on Lrcx, opening bell, 15-minute chart. So we'll keep those bids there. 710, 865. We filled it in right here on the 15-minute. There it is. There's the bar. He comes to the lower end of that. We come right across here. There it is. That we started with the gap and made the highs back on 520, which we did. And we were in it with that gap yesterday. And then the news hit. And so here we are. Opening bell, 15-minute chart. Here is Nvda. Reports earnings after the close. Opening bell. Sell gap straight down. Markets are all negative right now. And we are at crucial areas of the market. And we're going to keep our bids out. Here is the 3-minute chart on Lrcx. There is a 265 and a 271. And the 267.50s are out of the money. And we'll probably make an adjustment and look at the 265 call, which would be at the money. And that would tell us what we have to do. And we will be looking at those wholesale bids as well. Right now we have propped it. There's the bottom. We'll monitor it. There's a 31 IR. And there's the headline events that happened yesterday and shot it down, and they've shot it down again. So, headline volatility, opening bell. Today's date, 5/21 at 7:08 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Identifying the bottom, make an adjustment, and then reducing the risk. Lam Research, opening bell, 3-minute. We have the Nvda, sell gap, 3-minute, reports earnings after the close. We are looking at TTD, sell gap, it comes down, okay? And we can see right here how it's trying to throttle. So this one is starting to set up for the Friday expiration. Once again, we've identified different stocks on the opening bell. And we have bids out here to buy TTD. It's our third day in a row, and whatnot. So I'm going to conclude the position management summary. Opening bell.